Did you know that the man who plotted to kill Jesus actually spoke God's plan out loud without knowing it? Meet Caiaphas, the most powerful priest in Israel. He had a big problem. Jesus was becoming too popular. Crowds followed him everywhere, especially after he brought Lazarus back from the dead. Caiaphas was scared. If too many people followed Jesus, the Romans might think there was trouble and send soldiers to destroy their whole country. So Caiaphas called an emergency meeting. All the religious leaders gathered to talk about what to do with Jesus. During the meeting, Caiaphas said something he thought was just smart politics. He declared, "It's better for one man to die than for a whole nation to be destroyed." He was talking about killing Jesus to save their own skin. But here's the amazing part. Without knowing it, Caiaphas was speaking God's prophecy. Jesus really would die, but not just for Israel. He would die to save people all around the world. God can use anyone, even his enemies, to accomplish his perfect plan. Please subscribe for more.